Hardly anyone ever talks about this, and this is such transformational information. I'm going to be sharing with you what that of Christ consciousness is, the teachings of Jesus, and how it can help you in your life in a big way. And it's all to do with how the energy maneuvers out of these lower energy centers, up the spine and into the brain. As the energy maneuvers out of these lower energy centers and up the spine, it's up the 33 vertebrae of the spine, which is the 33 years of Christ. It then enters the brain and hits 12 cranial nerves. This is known as the 12 disciples. As it then hits your pineal gland, this is the resurrection, because as your pineal gland starts to become more activated, you start to destroy the illusion of separation, which is Christ consciousness, which is unity consciousness. Most of us are in duality consciousness, and that's because we're stuck in these lower three energy centers. We're stuck in survival, and we see everyone and everything outside of us as separate, not as part of us. When the energy goes up into these higher energy centers and your pineal gland, you start to see the connectedness of everything, and you maneuver out of a victim consciousness into a creator consciousness. Because you realize you are connected to everything, you realize that you can start to create an amazing life for yourself. So I'm going to share with you 2 ways that can help you maneuver the energy up the spine. The first way is through something called Kundalini Yoga, which is learning to squeeze certain muscles to push the energy up. The second way is to simply learn to observe your thoughts, feelings, and emotions without judgment. Because as we judge them as bad, that's what stagnates the energy and gets them stuck in the lower energy centers. So learning to observe without judgment means the energy is going to start flowing much more freely.